Are you looking for the best dent repair kits? In this video, we will break down the top 4 dent repair kits on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Glisten Auto Dent Puller Kit. The Glisten Dent Pulling Toolkit comes with 45 pieces of dent removing tools and is quite affordable too. This toolkit offers the maximum amount of value for the money. This product comes with a bunch of tabs, and out of which, 5 are reserved for the dent bridge toolkit and the rest for pulling the dent. This toolkit can remove most types of dents, and that's because of the wide variety of tab sizes. This product makes it very easy for anyone to repair dents. Additionally, the product comes equipped with a handy glue gun and glue sticks that can help you get rid of complex dents and dings. However, the glue gun is a little smaller but gets the work done. This product doesn't feature premium quality materials, but they are good enough to be a dent puller toolkit. At number 2. Mamlord Auto Body Repair Toolkit. The Mamlord Auto Body Repair Toolkit is perfect for those that don't want to spend a ton of money on a dent puller. However, the lower price does mean fewer tools and options. It only has 5 gripper pads and 1 dent puller to choose from. While it's good enough for basic jobs, you might not get ideal results if you have a particularly tough dent. Still, there are changeable gripper pads for the puller itself, which means you shouldn't have any problems getting a sturdy grip on your car. Finally, it's extremely easy to use, which is perfect for beginners, but we do wish that this kit came with some kind of carrying case to keep everything together. At number 3. UV Car Paintless Dent Removal Tools Kit. The UV Car Paintless Dent Removal Toolkit includes everything you need to make dents a distant memory. You can quickly remove dings from your auto or appliances with this handy bridge dent puller. You will manually massage the dent from your auto surface using this tool and its included items. It comes with a bridge dent puller, glue tabs, tap-down pin, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. Without a doubt, with a little precision work, your car will be ding-free using this dent puller. At number 4. Orist 32 PCS Auto Body Dent Removal Kit. This affordable kit is comprehensive, reliable, and affordable, a trifecta that makes it a soundbite to repair the creases and dents that accumulate on your vehicle over time. The Orist kit includes a steel dent lifter and dent puller, giving you 2 different tools and all of the necessary parts, including a glue gun and glue sticks. If you follow the basic directions included in this Orist kit, it's easy and convenient to restore your car's exterior. Everything you need is included, such as a rubber scraper, a tap-down pen, an alcohol spray bottle, and a cleaning cloth. One of the most common problems with this PDR kit is the plastic handle on the dent puller, which can crack or break with light use. Orist says it has addressed the issue by improving the quality of the materials and by making tweaks to the design to make the handle more stable and durable. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.